Hi friends, this is Mr. Lee. Today I'm going to make you practice some sentences. This is through listening. Listening is very important for learning anything. Whatever you have learned yet, this is because you listened it, you observed it, and you began to speak. So this is my earnest effort that you should listen it first, then I'll ask questions and the questions must be answered. This will help you a great lot in speaking practice, and within some days you will be able to speak English very fluently. So let us begin the class. I hope that you are going to enjoy this session very well, but be regular, which is very important. If you listen it regularly, I believe and I assure you, you'll be speaking very well. So let's begin. Here I'm going to begin with lesson 1, and this session is going to be very entertaining. Let us start with this, that, my, your, his and her. Listen it properly. This is Madan. That is Veena. This is my ear. That is your nose. This is his fan. This is her pen. This is Rekha. That is Ramesh. That is my chair. This is your eye. That is his book. That is his radio. This is my watch. That is your hand. I hope you listened it properly. Now you listen the questions that we can ask with this, that, my, your, his and her. Let us make some questions and also listen it properly. Who is this? What is that? Who is my brother? Which is your pen? Which is his shirt? Which is her book? Who is this man? What is that on the table? Who is my friend? What is your name? What is his brother? What is his mother? The same way, let us use my, your, she, you, I, and he, using this, that, my, your, his, her. My name is Ravi. Your brother is Ravi. Mr. Sinha is my father. You are Mrs. Jha. I am Chandan. My name is Rita. She is Sita. She is my sister. You are Rekha. You are my friend. I am Ruby. Your name is Vijay. So my dear learners, this is very easy way to learn anything. If you listen anything properly, if you try to understand it, if you observe it properly, it will help you to understand the things and you will be speaking. Since when you were a child, you didn't learn any grammar, you didn't go to school at the time, but you started speaking, observing the people. The same way, you have to listen and observe what I say. This habit will give you a lot of enjoyment, and very dramatically you will be learning everything very easily. So I hope you are going to continue this class. Thanks a lot for watching. Keep on watching. Keep practicing. Thanks a lot again. Have a good day. Bye-bye.